Hello YouTube, today I'll be making a server tutorial on how to make a Bukkit 1.7.2 server. First of all, you need to go to this website where you have to download the Bukkit.jar. Now you go to your server, you make a new folder and you name it server or anything you'd like it to be. You can then go to new text document and you paste this code there. I'll be including it in the server description. And then you go to save as, and then in quotes write run.bat and save as, type all files, and then you click save. After that you go to your Bukkit and you rename it into craftbukkit, and then you'd and then you start up the batch file, and then it'll be generating a few files here. You'll see that it'll be generating quite a few files. After all of these files have been generated, you can stop the server. Okay. Now we'll go into the plugins and we'll see plugin matrix. Now you'll go to plugins.bukkit.org. After this, you'll first have to get the basic plugins, which is we'll start with Auth.me Reloaded. You'll click download again, we'll save, and we'll wait for that to download. After that, we'll go to plugins.bukkit.org again, and we'll get permissions X. A permission X is a plugin that most servers use for their ranks. You can add and remove permissions and set groups. After the Auth.me Reloaded has downloaded, you go to download folder, you copy it into your server folder at plugins, and now you'll be downloading permissions X. Then we'll save it. Okay. Wait, I have it, so I'll go to my server folder. Then after you download that, you'll have to copy it into your plugins folder. And you paste it here. And then we'll go to, and then that's those are the most basic plugins for your server. And then we'll get World Guard and World Edit. We'll search World Guard first. After you get to this page, you just download it from there. Since I have it on my other servers, I'll just get it from here. It will first come up as a .rar file, and then you just go in there and you copy the jar file into your plugins folder. And then after that, we'll go at World Edit. We'll say World edit here. After that we download it. It'll also come up as a RAR file. You go into it and you get the worldedit.jar file and you copy it into your plugins folder. After you get those, we'll run the server. Then you can start up your Minecraft so long. Now you'll see that everything's up, and now everything is up, so now we can go onto our server. We'll go add server, and then at the server address we'll say localhost add. We'll see that this is gonna be on, and then when we try to connect, you won't be able to connect at first because there's one more thing we have to do. So then we'll say stop to stop the server, and then we quit, yeah, and then we go back to our server and we go to the server text file. And then over here you can edit your mods. For here I'll say YouTube, and then you'll set everything like that. I can set that to 200. The max bold height you can edit, and that's your server port. What we'll have to do to be able to allow people to go in is we have to find enable online mode, and we have to set that to false. After that we'll say save, and then we'll start up the server again and we'll wait for the server to load. After the server loads, we'll go inside our server and we'll say register 11. After that we'll say PL. Okay, those are the plugins that you have at present. So you go onto your console and you say pix group owner create, and then you say pix group owner add all, and pix user group your name, and then you put your name there. In this case it will be Black Bunny 526 group set owner, and then you'll say pix group owner prefix owner. Then you'll see here, okay, it did not register, so we'll do pix group pix user, say pix group owner prefix owner. After we do that, we'll check again if it's working. Okay, you are owner right now, and you have most of the commands. So what we don't have essentials. Okay, so we have to get essentials. You'll go into plugins.bukkit.org. You'll search essentials, and then you'll get you won't find essentials as easy on here. So what I would recommend is go on Google and you say download essentials plugin 1.7.0. 2. And then you'll go here where you'll find this, and then you'll download it from here. Since I have it, I'll go into my other service plugin and I'll get it from here. And then you'll copy all these essentials into you'll copy all these 4 essentials because they're very important, and you go to your server plugins and you'll say paste, and then after that you'll say restart here, and then so reload everything. Now we'll say PL again. As we can see, we have more stuff now, and then we'll say refresh, and now this is our server. And we'll say login, and then what we'll do is GM1. Now we can go into creative. As we can see, that happens. So what we'll do is we'll go into our configurations for essentials. We'll go look for essentials chat. After we find essentials chat, we'll put a hash there and remove the hash there. And so after that we'll do this. Then here you'll say copy, you'll say paste, and you'll move it there, and then you'll say here owner, world name, C group, display name, and then we can change the color of our text into 5, and then we'll say X, close this window, save, reload, okay. Now as we can see, that's there. Then what we'll do is op, we'll say op black bunny 526, and then say you want to change the place where you spawn. You'll go to the place where you want the spawn to be and say set spawn. So now that your server spawn and stuff is set up, you're ready to go. All you need to do is build the spawn. Thank you for watching this video.